Hey guys, I'm back and it is time to do my April Stitch Fix unboxing. Before I dive into this box, as you may or may not be aware, Stitch Fix is doing a new kind of like preview option where your stylist, on top of picking 5 items, actually picked out like, I don't know, I think maybe around 10 items for me to choose from. And if I liked any of them, then they end up in the box. And if not, then she would go back and reevaluate. And I will, editing me, will put screenshots of all of the options that I was offered to pick from in this video. Maybe scrolling right now, perhaps. I don't know. We'll see how creative I get. So I did end up picking all 5 of my items from that preview because there was just a lot of cute stuff that was in there. And I was like, I gotta try it. I have to find out. So with that being said, for this month, I was just asking for like light breezy tops and like summer dresses because it's already starting to warm up here in Texas. And it's the time of year where I really just hate wearing pants. Pants are dumb. Anyways, if you're new to Stitch Fix, it is a monthly curated clothing subscription where you take a style assessment or quiz or whatever you want to call it. You put in all your sizes and your preferences, and every month you get paired up with a stylist that gives you 5 items in accordance to what you kind of input. And you can keep everything. You don't have to keep everything. If you don't like it, they do send you a prepaid mailer to send everything back in. That being said, let's go ahead and dive on in. I don't have any credit as far as I'm aware this month. I do believe I used it all on last month's box, which I think I was a little unclear when I left off in that video what I was going to keep and not keep. And I ended up keeping all 5 items, but I did finally list the cardigan and the top, the short sleeve top, up in my Poshmark shop. So that is another thing that if you're interested in, what I usually do, because if you keep all 5 items, they give you a pretty good discount, and it makes sense to keep 5 and then sell whatever I don't like and pass on the discount to you guys. So that way we all win. My Poshmark shop will be linked down below. And anyways, that's up there finally. It's been a crazy month. You may or may not be aware if you've been watching my videos, but yeah, it's up there. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Here is the prepaid mailer if I want to send anything back. And then you do also get, this is the invoice. I have hypothetically already looked at all the prices of everything. So it's not gonna be like a 100% surprise, but it has been a while since I picked out everything. So yeah, we'll still go over invoice last, but everything, that was another nice thing, I guess, about the preview was like, you can go ahead and cut like off the heartbreak if like, oh, if they don't send me that, $100 item, then I don't have to go through the heartbreak of deciding whether or not I'm going to keep it. And you can just go ahead and like cut yourself off now and be like, no, we're not even gonna send that to me to fall in love with. So that was another nice thing about the preview is they did include prices. This is the style card with a note from your stylist, and these are the 5 items I picked, as well as my stylist suggestion on how to style them. Let's go ahead and see what my stylist says. Hi Amanda, I am so happy to see you enjoyed your preview and that you selected 5 items that you really enjoy. The 3 spring and summer blouses specifically are lovely for the season and will be so great with shorts, skirts, or your favorite pair of jeans. The soft fabrics, fun designs, and bright colors make them go-to options for the season, and I truly hope you love them. I'm also happy to see you selected some of the dresses too. Dresses are great options for the hot days, comfortable and lightweight to beat the heat. I do hope you enjoy these pieces when you get to try them on and when they arrive, but I look forward to reading your feedback to get to know your style more and more. Are there any other specific items or looks you want me to blah, blah, blah? Okay, the normal thing she always ends her notes with. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive on into this bad boy. So this is what my bundle looks like. It is a pretty small box this month, but it just happens when it gets warm out. So here's the first item, which I think this is a dress. This is definitely coming off more brown than I thought it might, but I'm not mad at that. So it's kind of like a stretchy cotton and this kind of floral print. If you have watched my videos, you know I'm a sucker for floral print. It is a V-neck. I am a little worried that V-neck might be a little too high for me, but that's okay. There is this really cute little kind of ruffle detail on these sleeves. I'm gonna call these like a bell cap sleeve, but I think that's wrong. I'm pretty sure that's wrong actually, but that's okay. And there is a tie waist, but it's not like a drawstring. So it will accentuate, but depending on how well this fits, it might not do enough for me. And I am a little concerned this might be on the short side, just because I have a donk, and that donk tends to make dresses shorter. The next item, I think this is another dress, question mark. Yes, this is another dress, and it's another floral print because, yeah, my stylist has me figured out. She knows I'm a sucker for a floral print. So this is a little bit more of a wrap dress, which I think will be really beautiful and accentuating on my curves, and I think it'll give the proper allowance that I need for how kind of busty I am, especially quarantine 15, man. It is a real thing, and it's something I've struggled with the past year. Is my I'm just getting a little curvier. Yeah. Anyways, so it does look like it will accentuate my waist, and this one does look a little longer, but we'll find out whenever I try it on. This is definitely more, the last dress was cottony. This one, I'm just curious, what is it made out of? Polyester, that's what I thought. It's more polyester, but it's more springy, so I could have a lot more fun if I wanted to like twirl. You know, just things to think about. Anyways, this next item, oh look, it's another floral print. It is a top, and it has a kind of, it's almost like a pseudo tie front. It's like a detail. Love this. It is pretty sheer, so I'm still probably going to have to wear some sort of cami underneath it, but we'll find out. I did finally wow. Wow, that was a Freudian thing. I was trying to say I invested, but instead I invested in a new bra. Sorry, this is no longer kid friendly. Nude bras, I have them. We'll see if that works with that top without having to wear a cami underneath. Woo, getting spicy. The next top is, oh look, a floral print. You know, man, I'm starting to feel self-conscious, but it's fine. It is another floral print. This reminded me a lot of that red top with a very similar design that I was sent last summer, but I think the fabric's different because this is more of a polyester, and that was more like this material, like light and flowy and almost see-through. Yeah, either way, very cute, very excited to try it on. And then lastly, I think possibly, yes, the only not floral thing in this box is this top, but it is one of those magic colors that I love. It's like a deep green, almost has like hints of teal in it. And then this detail, which is a back detail, so I can put my hair up in a messy bun, but like still look kind of put together because look, back show. And yeah, it's just basic, it's cotton. I love it. It's a good like relaxed piece, which it's like a home piece. You know what I mean? But like also a nice, it's like a, I don't know what I'm trying to say. We're gonna try this stuff on. So here is the first dress. So I was a little concerned that the neckline would be a little too high for my taste, but I think it's actually perfect. There is elastic around the waistline, so I was a little concerned that this might just like hang and not be quite as flattering, but the elastic cinches it in and it makes it flattering. These sleeves are also flattering, very cute. And I couldn't decide for this drawstring, it's not even a drawstring, it's just like a bow. I couldn't decide if I wanted a front bow or a back bow, but it just felt more appropriate to do a back bow. And then the length is actually perfect. So I'll pan down here in a minute. So this length is perfect. I thought this might be a little short, but it cuts off just right above the knee. And so it's not a little hoochie skirt. It's like a very tasteful skirt, and I'm loving everything about this dress. So this was one of those that I was a little like iffy on, just because I thought it might be too little House on the Prairie. I know that's having a moment, but I think this is the perfect kind of compromise between cute summer dress and the weird Little House on the Prairie thing that seems to be a style right now. So here's the second dress. I had to take the clip out of my hair because we had a little bit of a wardrobe malfunction. So this is what it looks like. I could have worn this with a different bra to hide these straps, but I wasn't hating it. I like this neckline a lot because this had the potential to become very inappropriate very fast. And this actually kind of like hugs the curve. So you're like still kind of like showing off the girls, but you're not showing it off so much that it's actually indecent. The sleeves I like, but I think they could have the potential to become unflattering depending on how much more wiggle my arms get. I've been trying to avoid, again, the quarantine 15. It's something I've just become very much aware now that it's getting warmer out and I'm no longer in sweaters all the time. This is what the back looks like. So I could wear a different bra, like I mentioned. I have another bra like this that's actually a lace detail racer bag that I think would look very cute with this. But otherwise, love it. And then I'll pan down to the bottom here in a minute. So the length on this is also perfect. It's just a hair longer than that other one. Something else I didn't mention is that neither this dress nor the other dress I tried on have pockets. So, you can't win them all, but otherwise I'm very happy with both of these dresses and I think I'll get a lot of wear out of them. So here is the last top we tried on, just the dark green borderline teal hue. I just feel like there's a touch of teal. So it's pretty basic in the front. I'm loving how cozy this is. And I love this detail in the back because I think this is going to be the perfect top to do messy bun in, and wear with a pair of shorts. These jeans were actually the jeans I got from last month's Stitch Fix, but they're up a size, so I guess I didn't mean to show them off, but this is what they look like properly sized. I still haven't even taken off the tags because I'm a trash person. But anyways, yes, love this top. Be cute. So here is the last, no, I lied, this isn't the last of the floral prints. I don't know what I'm talking about. But this is the kind of sheer floral print tie front top. I am wearing a nude color bra underneath this. I still feel like you can see it like if you look hard, but I feel like it's not noticeable enough to be inappropriate anywhere. I love the cut. I love how it lays on me. It is very flattering. And again, I love me a good floral print, and it almost hides my awkward tan lines. So close, not quite there. Again, love this top. So here is the last floral print top. I did end up changing my bra just because I felt like the bra straps just weren't flattering with this style of top. And this is the same cut as that one top I got that last summer in a red floral print, but again, different fabric. So very interesting. Either way, I very much like it. I think it's very cute, very flattering. Like honestly, this Stitch Fix is like a home run. This is gonna be one of those 5 for 5s, but I'm actually probably going to keep everything. With that being said, let's go look at the invoice. Okay, let's look at this invoice. See what the damage is. Oh, I lied, that's not the invoice. This is the invoice. Okay, so the not detailed blouse, the light green floral one, that was $42. It's hard to tell. One of these tops, back detail, lol. Sorry, I picked 2 different tops with a back detail. One of them, this one is either 36 or 34, and then the other back detail green top is the other one. The navy floral print dress was $50, and then the brown floral print dress was $54. So the subtotal is $216. If I were to keep all 5 items, that would be $54. So the new subtotal would be $162. So all 5 items for $162, words, not a bad deal. I will say I do Style Pass, so if you are a normal Stitch Fix subscriber, you pay a $20 styling fee for each box, but if you keep anything, that $20 is reimbursed. However, after you do a couple fixes, you might get offered something called Style Pass, where you just pay $50 for the entire year. So that way you don't, at least this is how I see it, you don't have to feel bad if you send something back or send a whole box back because you just hate everything in it, which has never happened to me personally. Maybe I just need more self-control, but maybe someday in the future when I have that self-control, I can think about sending an entire box back because I just have too much. Anyways, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I do have a referral code down in the comments below, not in the comments, the description box below. And basically, if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix out for the first time, you'll get $25 and I will also get $25. And I already mentioned my Poshmark shop. That will also be in the description box down below. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed my video, please consider doing the things that make the YouTube algorithm happy, such as liking and subscribing, you know, sub-sharing. I'm just gonna combine all the words now. This is fine. I'm on such a good roll today. Yeah, liking, sharing, subscribing, turning on the notification bell, commenting, etc. And stay safe out there and stay tuned for whatever comes next. I'm not sure what's coming next.